Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? Today I will discuss about exercise 2.1, and our first topic is mixed or compound ratio. The ratio obtained by whose antecedent and subsequent are formed by the products of antecedents and subsequent of more than one simple ratio is called mixed or compound ratio. Actually, I told you many times it is very difficult to understand any mathematical definition without mathematics. Okay, mathematical explanation. Actually, it is very hard to understand the ratio obtained by whose antecedent and subsequent are formed by products of antecedents and subsequent of more than one simple ratio. So it is hard to understand. Okay, we can understand a mathematical definition by mathematics. Okay, you just see an example. For example, there are two ratio. One is 2:3 and another one is 5:7. So what will be the mixed ratio of these two simple ratios? It is nothing but mixed ratio. Ratio is nothing but it is the product of antecedents. Here 2:3 antecedent is 2 and 5:7 antecedent is 5. So the mixed ratio will be the product of antecedent and product of subsequent, 2 into 5. Okay, 2 into 5, and the subsequent sequencer 3 into 3 and 7. That's why it is 3 into 7. As a result, we get 2 into 5 10, and 3 into 7 21. So the mixed ratio of these two ratios, it is 2:3 and 5:7, is 10 is to 21. Okay, okay, fine. There are another example is existed. Determine the compound ratio of the given simple ratios 5:7, 4:9, and 3:2. So there are three ratios. Whatever, how many ratios, it's not a problem. There could be a lot of infinite number of ratios, and we can find out the compound ratio or mixed ratio of those ratios. Okay, uh, procedure is same. We have to multiply all the antecedents and all the subsequents. So there are three ratios. One is 5:7, another one is 4:9, and last one is 3:2. So here antecedents are 5, 4, and 3. So that's why we have to multiply. 5 into 4 is 5 fours are 20, 23s are 60. Okay, and the subsequents are 7, 9, and 2. So we have to multiply. 7 nines are 63, 63 twos are 126. That means the mixed ratio will be 60 is to 126. Okay, the mixed ratio is 60 is to 126, and fortunately both are divisible by 6. That's why 6 tens are 60, 621s are 126. That's why compound ratio, we minimize the compound ratio, expressing in equivalent ratio of 60 is to 126, and it becomes 10 is to 21. So it is the mixed ratio of these three ratios. Okay, 5:7, 4:9, 3:2. We get the mixed ratio is 2 and 10 is to 21. Okay. Okay, we get an activity. Okay, you, in our previous class we have given some activities, and it is activity 5. Okay, you will get in your book. Okay. Okay, determine the mixed ratio of the following ratios: 2:3 and 3:4. So what should we do? It is very easy. We have to multiply 2 and 3. It will be 6. Okay, and then we have to multiply 3 and 4, and it will be 12. Okay, so the mixed ratio. Okay, mixed. No. So mixed ratio will be 6 is to 12. We can minimize it. Okay, we can divide both antecedent and subsequent by 6. So 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So the mixed ratio of these two ratios, that means mixed ratio of 2 is to 3 and 3 is to 4. Okay, mixed ratio of 2 is to 3 and 3 is to 4 is what we have find out. It is 1 is to 2. Okay, 1 is to 2. Okay, now we are going to another problem. There are so many problems are given. Okay, uh, you just have a look. Okay, the ratio of length and breadth of a hall room is 2 is to 5. Putting the possible values of length and breadth in the gaps, complete the following table. Okay, it is ratio is 2 is to 5. Okay, okay, we have to do it. Okay, we are going to see the solution. What is the solution of this problem? Okay, number 4 solution is like this. Okay, okay, okay. We have to arrange all the numbers in um, 2 is to 5 ratio. Okay, so 10 25 it is given. Okay, and here length is given, it is 50. So we have to arrange it into 2 is to 5 ratio. Okay, so that means here 50, it is double of 25, that's why it is 50. So that means we have to put double of 10, we will get 20. Similarly, it is 40, it is double of 20. Okay, so we have to write here double of 50, we get 100. Similarly here, uh, here 100 wasn't given in the question. Okay, we have to write it again. 80, it is not given. Okay, 80 is not given. 200, that means length of a hall room, of any hall room, is 200 meter. It is double than previous one, that's why you have to write it is double of previous one. Okay, 80. And similarly we get our last answer, it is 400. Okay, okay. Our next problem, identify the equivalent ratios of the following. So there are so many ratios is given, we have to find out uh, who are equivalent to each other. Okay, which are equivalent to each other. Maybe 12 is to 18 is equivalent to 6 is to 9. We have to find out. Okay, we have to find out by our calculation. So how we can calculate it? Okay, we are going to the solution. Okay, we are going to the solution. Hmm, number 5. Okay, number 5. Okay, so first ratio was 12 is to 18. It is, we can write it as 12 by 18, and both are divisible by 6. That's why it is 2 by 3. We can write 2 is to 3, we get 2 is to 3. And similarly, 6 is to 18, we can find out 1 is to 3. Okay, by calculation, and we can write 15 is to 10 as 3 is to 2. All calculation is given 15 is to 10, it is 15 by 10, and then both are divisible by 5, that's why it becomes 3 by 2. As a result, it becomes 3 is to 2. 3 is to 2 is actually, there are no minimization. Okay, we can't minimize 3 is to 2 because there are no common factor between 3 and 2, that's why 3 is to 2 remain same. 6 is to 9, we get it is 2 is to 3. Okay, so similarly 2 is to 3, there are no common factor, that's why it remains same, 2 is to 3. 1 is to 3, it is also there are no common factor, that's why it is 1 is to 3. 2 is to 6, we at first we write 2 by 6 and then get 1 is to 3. Okay, how there are 2 is also, 2 is divisible by 2, 2 ones are 2, and 2 3s are 6. we can write 1 is to 3. Similarly, 12 is to 8, we can write 3 is to 2. Okay. So by this procedure we are solving the problem. So here, look, it is 2 is to 3. Okay, it is 2 is to 3, and the another one where another, okay, it is another 2 is to 3. Okay, and the ratio is 6 is to 9. That means 12 is to 18. It refers 2 is to 3. Again 6 is to 9. It also refers 2 is to 3. So and another one, it is 2 is to 3 is 2 is to 3. So that means they are equivalent to each other. That means 12 is to 18, 6 is to 9, and 2 is to 3. They are equivalent to each other. Okay, our solution is also given like this: 12 is to 18, 6 is to 9, 2 is to 3 are equivalent ratios. And your work to find out the others. Okay, uh, 6 is to 18. Okay, 6 is to 18, 1 is to 3, 2 is to 6 are equivalent ratios. 15 is to 10. Why 6 is to 18, 1 is to 3? Okay, 6 is to 18, it refers 1 is to 3. Okay, and 2 is to 6 is also 1 is to 3. 1 is to 3 definitely refers 1 is to 3. That's why they are equal. So there are another 3, they are also equal to each other. Okay. Okay, number 6. We have to take a glance on the question. Number 6, express the following simple ratios into the mixed ratios. Actually, we have shown so many mixed ratio. Okay, at least 3 examples of mixed ratio, how you can get the mixed ratio. So you have to try yourself. Okay. Express number 7, express the ratio 9 is to 16 as inverse ratio. So it is very easier one. What is the inverse ratio of 9 is to 16? Inverse ratio of 9 is to 16 is 16 is to 9. And here, which one of the following ratio are unit ratio? Actually, we know if antecedent and subsequent is equal of any ratio, then this ratio is unit ratio. So here, these features we get only in number C, 21 is to 21. So that means it is unit ratio. So although I have given task 6, try yourself, 7, try yourself, 8, try yourself, but I already have given the answer orally. Okay, you try again. Number 6, you have to try yourself. Okay, so it is end of um, it is end of our today's class, and you will come in your next class very soon. Okay, so stay home, stay safe.